Hello and welcome back to another episode of 7 billion humans. Great start. Great start to the episode. We are right here, year 19. Content creators bug fix. Let's see if we get crushed again. Probably not, I assume. Oops. It appears you were given the wrong command in your previous assignment. Management feels badly about that. Let's not pick up printers anymore. They are heavy. Management has provided a new command for you. Take from. You can take from printers. You can also take from other workers. Let's all use our new command responsibly. Alright. Repeat forever, okay. Nope. Very nice. Very efficient, very effective. Okay. I know we said to repeat forever, but that should be enough. We're not robots. Clearly we're not. So we didn't get the size challenge. That's weird. How do I make this? Oh, I can just do this. Right. Oh no, they still step over there. That's interesting. Did not expect that. That's good to know. That's actually very good to know. That if you do a give to, presumably also take from, that isn't like perpendicular to you, you can still like where you step towards that thing that you're taking from or giving to, I guess. Did not explain that very well. Anyway, reverse line. Sit, see, tub. These data cubes appear to be backwards. What? Yes, I know what you're thinking. It's not just because I'm looking at them from up here. Yes, please reverse this line of cubes. Reverse the line of data cubes and place the result back on the floor. The same location between the two holes. Okay. No idea how to do that. Is this actually reversed? I can't tell. There was too much movement there in the middle. I thought I could keep an eye on it, but I couldn't. So it's what, 59, 69, 17, 34, 36, 59, 16, 6. So you want... I'll never be able to remember that. 59, 69, 17, 34, 36, 59, 16, 6. Six, 16, 59, 36, 34, 17, 69, 59. Yeah, so that does actually work. But it won't work like this. How do I do this now? I wanna just... Once they're all done, no one's moving anymore. Because I can't just step here even. Because that's still the same problem. Like they swap once. Or do they? Oh no, like this no one ever steps, right. Because this is the if there. And I can't step here. Because then they'll step too soon. Yeah. Six is in the right spot, everyone else is wrong. Ah man, so I thought the sorting was gonna be, the reversing was gonna be hard, but that's actually not that bad. But how do I do something with that now? Because I can't do anything that's useful with an if here, right? I definitely I can't fix this at all, right? I mean, there are other ways to solve this, I guess. I could just go, like, if this is a whore, go up and then go left until this is a var, and go down, go right. Or something weird like that. But now it's not gonna be, it's not the right sequence, because it would... Yeah, I don't know. I just don't think I have any ways of waiting. Like, wait until this is done and then... So I'll just run through this and then they just all accumulate down here outside of the loop, but I can't say like the last person is gonna trigger something, because I have no way of figuring out who the last person is, because there's always one worker in every spot here. There's never, like, I can't check for this or anything like that, because there's always gonna be one here and one here. Because it's just very inefficiently, like, swapping. Why is this hard? Still don't understand this direction. If right is left. Hmm. There are 259s, just noticed that. How? How do I do this? I like this. Maybe this is just a bad thing to like though, because it's maybe just not possible to do it like this. But I don't know how else to like just switch them. It's weird. Reverse the line of data cubes and place the result back on the floor in the same location between two holes. Obviously I could just like, yeah, I could do this and then I would be in the right spots. Almost, at least. But yeah, the whole thing doesn't work anymore. But I still can't just say, and now drop them all, because you're already done. And I can't check for the number, right? I've tried that. Otherwise I could do... If this is a whore, else jump. And... yeah. But that doesn't work, right? No, but that doesn't work at all now. Because they leave that, yeah. I can't do it like this at all. I can't have any like code that only gets, yeah. That's wrong. What am I doing now? That's different. Oh, yeah. It's obviously, I had, yeah, the wrong condition. I don't know how to drop them. When do I want to drop? I guess I could drop if... No, I can never do that. I can never check for anything. I don't know what to check for, because there's never gonna be... Like, I can't do if to the right is a whore, then drop. Because that's always gonna be someone. Wait, how did that never... How did that never once run? Oh, because it only ran that once while we were still moving. While they're moving, they're just ignoring. Or yeah, I guess the if it's just not true. And this guy is still like in this loop, trying to move left so he doesn't drop either. But then why does that not work? Because the first person goes here. Right. So if I just don't drop then... I can't really do that. So the problem is that Harper, I think, picks up, steps down, and then left is not a worker, so she immediately drops. And this guy has a worker left, so steps left, but it's too late. It's already dropped at that point. I would need to wait or something. That's not a thing. And I can't do something like this either, right? Because then... no one's gonna drop. Because everyone is moving until this guy actually gets into this if, but then can't drop because of the whore. Ah. And again, no one's gonna drop. Why is this so bad? Why am I so bad at this? Okay, how else could I reverse the line? Because I can't tell, like, I can't do something like, if this is a whore, step to the left. Until, well, maybe I can actually, until No. Come on. Here. Actually, let's do it like this. Pick up, step down, and then if to your right is a whore, go to the left until to your left is a whore. Or to your left is the data cube. And then drop. Oh, I guess we do... Wait, what? If it's not a whore, jump. If it is a whore, you shouldn't jump. What? Why did I not stop that first guy? I didn't see it again. I should have paused. Pause. No, I wanted it to pause. Why did it not pause? What? I still don't get it. If there's a whore, step to the left. Is there a whore to your left or a data cube? Nope. Step to the left. And if yes, there is a whore. You should get out of this. You shouldn't jump and then drop. Why does that never run? I'm very confused by that. Jens, what are you doing? Oh, because it's or. Right, I'm dumb. Because I'm double negative checking with an or. That's confusing. So this is still untrue. Wait, so how do I fix this check? It's an and. That's what it should be. I think. Okay, that's interesting. So no one ever swaps like this? Why not? It feels like I should do it, but it doesn't. Learning new behavior, I guess. Because she just never moves if I loop for some reason. Because everyone just gets stuck down there. But why? Why does she not move? Why can't they not switch? Because... Does the switching only work if they're at like an end state? I guess. So I can't do it like this. And can I switch like that? I'm learning things. I can switch like this. It almost works. 6, 16, 59, 36, 34, 17, 69. Yeah, it's all correct. It's just the last 59 doesn't get put down because this guy. Oh, because the step comes first. Does this work now? I don't think it will. Yeah, no, this is broken. If to your right is whore and left is not a whore and not a data cube. Oh no, then you should step. Right. This is wrong logic again. If it's not a whore and not a cube, then step. Else drop and something like this. Maybe. No. Why does she not swap now? You're on step right. Why do you not step right? Wait, this is what we had before, right? This is what worked except for the last one. No. It's not. Why is it not? What's different now? What's different now? You should only drop it to your left. If this is not a whore, it's not a whore. And it's not a data cube, then I shouldn't drop. I should drop in the other cases, right? Yeah, that's what's wrong. Man, this, like, I don't know. Why do I set up my logic this badly? This is what we had, right? Yeah. But it's still gonna fail on the last one, because the last one is gonna step left. I wish this wouldn't... Like, I wanna go step by step, I wanna go step by step. But, yeah, she moves left. But she should drop instead. But if we change this, then the left and right step thing doesn't line up right and everything breaks for some weird reason. Ah, man. I could say if it is a whore or a data cube, then drop. I could put that up top maybe. Drop an end. Otherwise just step left, but I don't think this is gonna line up again. Maybe it is. Wait, what? If left is a whore or it is a data cube. What's with my logic today? Nothing is doing what I want it to do. Oh, it's just the loop. Yeah, it's wrong. There we go. That's why he was so fast. He was never checking. Poor Jens. This is a wonky thing that I'm doing, but good job, Bodjdug. Haha, oops, I mean, good job. Alright, so we're 2 commands over and 6 seconds off. I don't know. There has to be a better way to do this. But I don't know what it is. I don't think I want to think about this anymore. We'll optimize later. Reverse line. Year 20. No, that's one we just did. I'm dumb. Big data. 21. That's where we're at. All these years I've evaluated many workers just like you, but they've also been evaluating me. And the ratings are in. On a scale from 0, actively hostile, to 99, a flawless specimen of managerial excellence. How do you rate me? Well, now we know. I'll just print out these evaluations here and we'll see how I did. Workers, please take my evaluation data cubes from the printers, but if you pick up a number less than 50, let's just toss it in a shredder and go print another one. All workers must hold numbers 50 or higher. Yes, I'm doing great. And the data supports it. You can now use your if command to query the thing you're holding. That's what I've been wanting to do for like 10 years now. Alright, so everyone steps down. 1. And then takes from there. And if it is... if my item is... kick and hold? If it is less 50 or bigger, so greater or equal, which is this, right? Let's do it if it's lower than 50. Then we give it to the shredder. And then step back to the right. And then do this again. And if it is the end, is that good? I have no idea. Oh, I need to actually go here. Is this gonna work like that? I don't know if they get stuck or not. Okay, they are just end because they look at their item and it's not less than 50. Which is not what I want, obviously. Why? How do I don't know how again does it just does it count as 0 if they don't have an item? What happens with this if? I don't know. They are still go to there, even though I'm telling them only if. Oh, I guess it's always else that catches R. That makes sense, actually. I guess I could just do... this again. This is not good. I don't like it. So what's going wrong here? You, Sarah. You take from... That's a 46, which is less than 50. So you throw it in the shredder. Oh, but then she takes your spot. But you're still fine, I guess, because you just swap back and forth now. Get out of the way. Yes, the solution appears acceptable. I'm sure having such a highly reviewed manager has been an inspiration to you all. I'm sure. Oh, we did it in 8. We're great. And we did it in a good amount of time too. We were over 3 times, but on average we're very fast. Yeah, it just depends on how often we have to redraw basically to get R higher than 50. I'll just leave it like that. I still don't really like the way this is set up, but it works and it's optimized too, so I'll allow it. So much optimization to do. Do we check out one more? I really shouldn't. Number Royale. Roar, roar, roar. Where will they land? Nobody knows. When you press the play button, the data cubes will each land on a random number. Only the worker with the highest number may remain. Okay, all workers must pick up the data cube directly in front of them. Only the worker or workers with the highest data cube may remain. All other workers must dive with the cubes into the disposal hole. Tip from management. Want to compare something you're holding with something your neighbor is holding? Just use your if command to compare my item with whichever tile your neighbor is standing on. Your workers are smart enough to know you want to compare their items. Okay, so everyone picks up. From below. And then I guess we just... Actually, we just do if... Just use command to compare my item. If my item is... It's gonna be interesting though. How do I do this? If my item is lower than the one, let's say on the right. Then you step down 1, 2, 3 times. But then, yeah, there'll be gaps. No, is that right? I don't know what I'm doing here. So this almost works, but it doesn't quite obviously work. If my item is lower than the one on my right hand side's neighbors, or if my item is lower than the left side, one command over, but we're very fast. That's good. How do I get rid of one command here? I don't know. I need a pickup, I need to jump, I need a if. So that's 3 I definitely need, so I need to get rid of one of the steps, obviously. But how? This doesn't really change anything. Because I still need to step down twice to far into the hole. Oh, I could just have another jump here, right? Yeah. Very good. 9 seconds. Excellent. We're slowly getting there. Just 3 more to go and then lots of optimizations, but that will have to wait for another episode. Because this is it for today. These episodes are all getting long and I'm trying to avoid it, but I can't because I want to do more, and then I always feel like, oh, the last one was so long, I can make this one longer too, and then they are long, and it's bad. I guess this is like a 45 minutes per episode type series. Not that I really meant for that to happen. But it is what it is, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.